Welcome back to Master Glass. I am your host, Livio, and we are in Las Vegas, Nevada, which is the world headquarters of the EuroBar. What is the EuroBar? It's a very cool and innovative cocktail station for bars, restaurants, and coffee shops that I have created. But today, I'm going to show you how to make a traditional margarita, one with Agave Tequila and Cointreau. Let's get into it. I'm excited to taste this bad boy. I've made a Tommy's margarita before. I've actually made it with Julio Bermejo on the show. But the classic one, the one with triple sec or Cointreau, I have yet to make, so I'm excited. This one's nice and fresh. It's just so balanced, such a nice, easy drinking cocktail. You get the tequila, you get the orange from the Cointreau, you get the lime juice. Very, very well balanced because as you noticed, I put a touch of simple syrup in here just to offset the lime juice that I put in there. So if you like this episode, please give it a like. If you like the EuroBar, please give it a like and come back to Master Glass with me, Livio Laro, where you get expert instruction for everyday consumption.